Save your feet. My neighbor is 57 years old. She uses this remedy and her feet are like on a young girl. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful 2-ingredient mixture against corns, blisters, cracked heels, and how to remove the thick and rough skin of your feet in just 10 days. First, you should know that this homemade remedy is really amazing. In just 10 days you will be amazed by the results. Your feet will look 20 years younger. So you should definitely watch the video and learn how to make and use this amazing homemade remedy for cracked heels. Cracked heels, aesthetic and health problem. Some people think that cracked heels are just an aesthetic problem, but the actual truth is that if you don't treat them on time, the cracks will become deeper and more painful, so they will become health problem. So if cracked heels are not treated on time, the dirt will accumulate inside the cracked skin and they can become infected. And you should know that this can be really serious problem. So this is why it's extremely important to react on time and take all the necessary measures. You should also know that the thickening of the feet usually occurs cause of the excess dead skin cells, which often leads to poor blood circulation and poor elasticity. But you shouldn't be worried because this can be solved with pumice stone or a file. You should do this when the skin on your heels is soft, so you can do it after a shower or bath. And you should remember this: you mustn't remove the dead skin cells with a sharp object because you may remove too much skin from your heels, which can cause an infection. When you are done with this eliminating the dead skin cells of your feet, then you need to nourish the skin on your heels. You need to nourish the skin to speed up the healing process after the treatment. Well, you shouldn't be worried because there are many different homemade creams and remedies which you can make them in your own home. These creams and remedies are very useful in nourishing and moisturizing the skin on your heels. Olive or coconut oil, these two oils are very useful and beneficial in moisturizing and nourishing the skin on your feet. Here's what you need to do: just apply some oil on your heels and massage it with circular movements and leave it for a while. As we said in the beginning of this video, we are going to show you how to make the most effective 2-ingredient recipe, which will help you with your cracked heels. This 2-ingredients mixture is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 10 tablets of aspirin, 300 mg, 250 ml brandy or 70% strength of medicinal alcohol. Directions: first, you need to crush the 10 tablets of aspirin, 300 mg, and make them like powder. Then you need to mix the powder with 250 ml of brandy or 70% medical alcohol and leave it for 1 to 2 days. This is extremely important. Make sure you shake this mixture every night. How to use it: first, you need to dip one piece of folded gauze in it. Put the gauze soaked in this mixture on your heel, calluses, foot. Wrap your foot with a nylon bag and put on your socks. You need to leave it on overnight. In the morning when you wake up, you need to wash your foot with warm water, wipe it and apply some nourishing skin cream or glycerin. Just after 10 treatments you will be amazed by the results. Your heels will become clear and without trace of the rough skin or hard deposits. You should also know that you can clean your heels with a heel brush or a heel stone and then apply the cream. You should also know that you can use this mixture to treat the painful areas on the varicose veins, varicosities as well. You just need to massage the painful areas with this mixture and the pain will disappear immediately. You can use this tincture to treat osteochondritis as well. Massage the painful place and the pain will disappear instantly. Remove thick and rough skin off your feet with this incredible mixture. This remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to mix 5 to 6 crushed aspirins and some lemon juice until you get a thick paste. Then you need to rub the paste on your feet, wrap it with nylon and put a warm towel over it or put your socks on. Wait for 10 minutes, remove everything and wash your feet with a sponge or a pumice stone, to remove the dead skin cells. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.